Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Today we have a Mercedes Benz C250 1.8 liter. We've got the engine light on and we are doing the actual timing chain, which is a common problem. The whole lot, timing chains, tensioner, everything on this car here, because we don't want to muck around, otherwise there's no point just doing the actual chain. People, you can't do the chain by actually taking the links off and then running the chain properly, and then you can go through the whole lot process. But have a look at the timing. So this is what the book says. The book says you gotta have this mark, the pulley, on OT. So this is OT right there. There's a mark there, you see it? Very hard to see. Right in the middle between 0 and T. That's your top dead center mark. I'll put it here so you can see it. That mark there, it's got to be like that. And the thing is, the timing is on top. Should line up on the line on top and a little mark there. Both sides, they should line up like that. Let's come down here. Let's have a look. Look at the line. There's a line there. The line doesn't even line up with the mark. On the exhaust, go to the intake camshaft, way off. See the line? That's what I mean. That mark there should line up with the line there. See? Get close up with the light there so you can see it more. Alright? So that's the line on the the line and the mark and the arrow should line up. So you can see the line and the arrow not lining up. Same on this side here. A line in the actual arrow down there at the bottom, not lining up. So that's why the engine light comes on because of that. And majority of the time is the engine timing chain have stretched, like on the video before we done. You can actually see the actual one of the chain, the old chain longer than the new one. So we're stripping it down now. So now we're going to take the crankshaft off, crankshaft pulley off at the bottom, harmonic balancer off, so we can take the whole front cover off and then start replacing parts. But just a quick video to show what we're doing, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching. It's a pretty involved job this one here, so can't rush it, just gotta do it properly. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.